Okay, today's little project here, one of many, is we're going to be swapping out this factory stock Harley Davidson carburetor. And we turned around and purchased this Chinese carburetor off of eBay. I think it was 58 bucks. I got a picture of it, which I'll include. All these parts were interchangeable. I've had them all out: intermediate jets, main jets, mulching tubes. And to be honest with you, this is a much better design the way they did it. Came with a brass outlet, which surprisingly on this 99 Harley Davidson also had a brass. These are normally plastic, most of the ones I've seen. Outside wise, the only thing I've noticed is this looks like it has a knob for cruise control, which this one doesn't have, but we don't need it. And if you look at the bottom of the carburetor, you see this brass tube. Well, look what they got on the bottom. That's your overflow valve. And there's a screw to drain the carburetor. Now look at the Harley Ferguson one. What do you see in there? Nothing. I'll probably save the nickel not putting that stuff in there. The jets were all the same. This came with a 170. That carb had a 180, so we put the 180 back in it. And it's identical. The parts interchange. I've already done it. These are the ones that came out of the stock Harley Davidson. And I've seen a bunch of good reports of people very happy with these, so we're going to give it a whirl. And it came with a little bag of different size intermediate and main jets. I don't know what that little rubber piece is for. And it gave you these wonderful, wonderful Chinese spark plugs without the ends on them. So these would be very handy to go fishing. You know, you can make sinkers out of them. So that's pretty cool. All right, so we're going to put this back together, throw it on the bike. And hopefully when it gets above 10 degrees, we'll fire it up and see how it goes. But that's a very nice looking carburetor, and it's got a coating on it. Sometimes these Chinese people, well, I'll tell you, they copy stuff which they shouldn't do, but they do. And sometimes, as with this, they make improvements. And your mixture screw is already taken out. Somebody took it out on this one already. So I think that was a worthwhile cause. All right, I'll update this when I can open the door and run the bike to see how it goes. Because this bike's going to be staying here for a while. It's actually registered and insured, so I'm going to get to drive it. And that's the update on the Harley Davidson CV carburetor Chinese clone. And I'll put a picture of the place where that came from. So I'll update this when I have a chance to run the bike and see how it goes. Carburetor looks really good. Looks better than the Harley one. Imagine that. Alright, here's a little update on the aftermarket Harley Davidson CV carburetor. I finally got the throttle cables working properly. And I just had the bike running. And the other day when I started it, right off the bat, it started right up and idled without even touching the carburetor out of the box, other than changing the main jet. And now I've pretty much got it safe enough temperature where it should be registering properly. Basically a half a turn on the mixture jet and maybe a half a turn on the idle jet. That's all I've done to it. So I'll let you hear it. And the banging noise is the lift rattling. Thing I noticed on this bike is the engine light is intermittently coming on. I don't know why. Everything's good on it. Everything's working. Now the light's off. There, there's the light. Light's off. Well, it's pretty wild. I just can't make this thing. I can't make the lift quiet because too much stuff rattling. But that carburetor gets a thumbs up. That was like 56 bucks, well spent. And I have the factory one in stock, and I got a whole tray full of jets and main jets, and I even got a couple of Dynajet kits with the adjustable needles. But I think that's running pretty good. And either tomorrow or Wednesday, I'm actually going to take it out for a ride when it hits about 50 degrees. So that's it. I think the aftermarket CV carburetor was a win. I like it. Hope that helps somebody if you're thinking about getting another carburetor. That was the way to go. That was very nice, nicely built. However they did that. I think it's better than the stock Harley Davidson car, personally. All right, that's it. She's running.